Are you tired of confusing detoxes and complicated rituals to support your liver health? Well, put down the kale juice and grab your favorite mug, because today we're diving into the amazing world of liver-boosting teas, packed with flavor and goodness to help your liver do its job like a champ. So grab your favorite mug and get ready to sip your way to a healthier liver. Don't forget to subscribe for more tea-rific health tips, and share your favorite liver-friendly tea flavor in the comments. Number 1. Dandelion Tea. You know those fluffy yellow flowers that pop up all over your lawn in the spring? Yep, those are dandelions. Turns out they're not just annoying weeds. They can do wonders for your liver when brewed into tea. It's packed with antioxidants, which are like tiny shields that protect your liver cells from damage. Plus, it's got this cool compound called chicoric acid that helps your liver process toxins more efficiently. But wait, there's more. Dandelion tea also works wonders as a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess water and toxins through urine. By doing so, it eases the workload on the liver and reduces the buildup of harmful substances. And the best part? There's scientific evidence to back it up. One study published in the journal Antioxidants found that dandelion extract protects liver cells from alcohol damage in rats. Another study showed that dandelion root extract could help improve liver function in people with liver disease. Now, to make sure you're grabbing dandelions and not some random plant, check for those sunny yellow flowers and the leaves that look kinda spiky. Give them a sniff. They should smell kinda bitter, like spinach. And if you're feeling adventurous, taste a tiny piece of leaf to make sure that it has that same bitter kick. Once you're sure, give them a good wash and steep them in hot water. Strain them out, and boom, you've got yourself some liver-loving dandelion tea. Number 2. Milk Thistle Tea. Milk thistle contains a special compound called silymarin, which is like a shield for your liver cells, guarding them against damage. But here's where it gets even cooler. Silymarin doesn't just protect your liver, it also helps repair it. So if your liver has taken a beating from too much junk food or late-night partying, milk thistle swoops in and starts the repair process, like patching up a damaged wall. Also, a study published in the journal Veterinary Medicine and Science found that silymarin, the magic ingredient in milk thistle, could reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, which are fancy terms for saying it helps calm down the chaos and promotes healing. Now let's talk about the taste. Milk thistle has a unique flavor, slightly nutty with a hint of sweetness. It's not overpowering, making it easy to sip on its own or with a dash of honey for added sweetness. Number 3. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea is like a breath of fresh air for your liver. It contains compounds like menthol that stimulate bile flow, which is like giving your liver a gentle nudge to get things moving smoothly. Bile is essential for digestion and helps carry waste and toxins out of your body, so keeping that flow going is crucial for a happy liver. But that's not all. Peppermint tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can calm down any inflammation in your liver. This is important because inflammation can put extra stress on your liver, slowing down its ability to detoxify your body. And guess what? A recent study found that peppermint extract reduced liver damage in mice exposed to high doses of acetaminophen, suggests that it could have a similar protective effect in humans. Plus, let's not forget about the refreshing taste of peppermint tea. Its cool, invigorating flavor can perk you up any time of the day. Whether you enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with a splash of honey, peppermint tea is a delicious way to show your liver some love. Number 4. Rooibos Tea. Now, you might not have heard much about this South African gem, but let me tell you, it is a powerhouse when it comes to your liver health. So what makes rooibos tea so special for your liver? Well, it's about the antioxidants. Rooibos tea is full of them, and antioxidants are like the superheroes that swoop in to fight those nasty free radicals roaming around in your body. Those free radicals can harm your liver cells, but antioxidants in rooibos tea come to the rescue, neutralizing them and preventing damage. But wait, there's more. Rooibos tea also contains unique compounds like quercetin and aspalathin, which have protective effects on the liver. Quercetin in particular has anti-inflammatory properties that calm down any inflammation in your liver, giving it a much-needed break. Aspalathin, on the other hand, helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver function. And its cozy, earthy flavor, with a touch of sweetness, will make you smile. It's not too strong or bitter, just perfectly balanced. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 5. Licorice Root Tea. Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, a powerful compound with hepatoprotective properties, meaning it helps protect your liver from damage. It works by reducing the activity of enzymes like alanine aminotransferase, ALT, and aspartate aminotransferase, AST, which can cause liver inflammation and injury. Another fascinating aspect of licorice root tea is its ability to support the liver detoxification process. It stimulates the flow and production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and removing toxins from your body. By keeping the bile flowing smoothly, licorice root tea assists your liver in its detox duties, helping it function at its best. Now let's talk about taste. Licorice root tea has a distinct and naturally sweet flavor, with hints of earthiness. It's not overpowering like some teas, making it enjoyable to sip on its own or mixed with other herbs for a custom blend. But a word of caution, while licorice root tea offers fantastic benefits for liver health, it is essential to enjoy it in moderation. Consuming too much licorice root over a prolonged period can lead to potential side effects, such as elevated blood pressure or potassium imbalance. So, like with any good thing, moderation is key. Number 6. Chory Root Tea. Chicory root is full of compounds that work wonders for your liver. One of its standout features is its high concentration of inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. Now, you might be wondering, what does gut health have to do with liver health? Well, your gut and liver are like best buds, working together to keep you healthy. When you drink chicory root tea, it helps your digestion and makes it easier for your liver to do its job of getting rid of bad stuff from your body. Another fantastic thing about chicory root tea is its natural bitterness. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bitterness does not sound like a good thing, but trust me, when it comes to liver health, a bit of bitterness is beneficial. Bitter foods and beverages, like chicory root tea, stimulate bile production, which is essential for digestion and detoxification. So even though it might not taste super sweet, that bitterness is a sign that it is working its magic to keep your liver healthy and happy. Number 7. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that team up to shield your liver cells from harm and soothe any inflammation lurking around. It's also a pro at boosting liver detoxification. It stimulates your liver's natural detox processes, making it easier for your body to flush out toxins and keep things running smoothly. There's scientific evidence behind this. A study published in the Journal of Extracellular Vesicles found that ginger extract could protect liver cells from alcohol-induced damage in rats. Another study suggested that ginger could help reduce liver fibrosis, a condition where scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue. And here's a fun fact, ginger tea has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including liver issues. So it's not just a trendy drink, it's backed by centuries of wisdom and experience. Number 8. Green Tea. You might have heard about its benefits for weight loss or boosting metabolism, but did you know it is also fantastic for your liver? Green tea is like a ninja warrior when it comes to battling toxins in your body. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, which stands for epigallocatechin gallate. Don't worry, you don't have to remember that. These antioxidants are like little soldiers that march into your liver and neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to your liver cells. Green tea also contains compounds that reduce fat accumulation in the liver. You see, too much fat in the liver can lead to fatty liver disease, which is not something you want hanging around. The catechins in green tea break down excess fat, keeping your liver lean and healthy. Now let's talk some scientific evidence. Studies have shown that regularly drinking green tea can improve liver function tests, indicating that it is doing some serious good for your liver behind the scenes. Plus, green tea is super easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just swap out your morning coffee for a refreshing cup of green tea, or enjoy it iced on a hot summer day. Oh, and here's a pro tip. If you're feeling fancy, add a squeeze of lemon to your green tea. Not only does it add a little extra zing, but it also helps boost the absorption of those powerful antioxidants. And there you have it! Say goodbye to the confusion of detoxes and complex rituals. It's time to embrace the simplicity and deliciousness of liver-boosting teas. By incorporating these flavorful brews into your daily routine, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're giving your liver the support it deserves to function at its best. But hey, don't forget, like with anything, it's all about balance. While these teas offer fantastic benefits for your liver health, it's essential to enjoy them as part of a balanced lifestyle. So it's not just about the tea. It's also super important to maintain a healthy diet, get regular exercise, and minimize exposure to toxins. When you do all these things together with drinking these amazing teas, you're giving your liver the best chance to stay in top shape. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!